Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to fix PayPal Express checkout Shopify not working. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and log in to myshopify.com. Make sure you log into your account as well. Once you are in My Shopify, the first thing to do for your account is to click on Settings, the one with the gear icon on the lower left. It's not hard to miss, this one over here. Once you tap on it, a window will appear. Now, you're going to click on, or before you do that, scroll down and look for Payments. Now tap on the Payments icon. Once you are here, you will scroll down once again. And then in here, click on the button that says Choose a Provider. In here, you can use the search bar to search for third-party payment providers. Now click on the search bar. On the search bar, you will need to search for PayPal. The first step to do is deactivate it and then activate it again. It's the same concept as turning on or turning off your PC to fix a problem. Once you have done the process, all you have to do right now is wait for PayPal Express to start working once again. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.